Hi everyone, welcome to the Yarn Necklaces channel. I'm Janelle and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of IceYarns. I bought like all of this yarn from IceYarns website and the majority of it is Trellis Ladder yarn because that's what I sell on my website. And I have about 60 colors or so on there, and also I do crochet patterns out of mainly jewelry, some scarves, things like that. But I wanted to let you guys know that my crochet patterns are only $1 right now, and they're normally $3.95. So definitely check that out. And so most of it's Trellis Ladder yarn, but I do have like 3 or 4 different yarns that I've ordered that I've never tried before. So I'm really excited to look at those. So I'm going to just show you some of my favorite Trellis Ladder yarns and some of the ladder yarns I've used in some of my tutorial videos, and then also show you the new ones I have. So I won't go through all of these boxes. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so let me show you guys what's in here. I'm going to show you my new yarns first because I'm really excited to check those out. So this one here, it's I wrote down some notes here so I know what to tell you. This is the hand-painted cotton and it's light lilac. And I couldn't really tell on the website what it was actually going to look like, but it is so pretty. Sorry about the crinkling. It looks like a mermaid. Check out this, how it shines and stuff. It's so cool. And it has an interesting feel to it. Almost feels like, I don't know, like plasticky sort of, but it's kind of cool. I'm gonna make some sort of beachy themed jewelry out of this. So definitely look out for that video. And this one it's actually 40% cotton and 60% metallic lurex. So that's what makes it shiny like that. And the needle size is a US 3 to 6 and a 3 to 4 millimeter. It's 100 grams and it comes with 3 skeins. And it's 280 millimeters long, which is about 306 yards. So it's pretty long. You can probably make a couple things out of this. And the thickness is a number 2, which is also like a sport weight type yarn. So it's a little bit thinner than I'm used to, but it should be fun to work with. I'm really excited. And the next one I'm going to show you is, I actually ordered 2 different colors of these. This is the metallic cotton. This is the silver. And this one is the gold. And I'll take this one out too so you can see it better. These are like super shiny. And this one is kind of the same feel to it. I guess it's that metallic lurex has that kind of like a plasticky feel, but I think it'll just turn out so pretty. So we will see. I'm going to make something cool out of this too. I just don't know yet. So I have to use my imagination. And this one, the stats on this one is 30% cotton and 70% metallic lurex. And this one is a little bit thinner than the one from before. This is a number 1 thickness. And what else do you want to know? The needle size is a 2.75 to 3 millimeter. And this one has, this one's a little bit more on it. There's 200 grams and the length is 874 yards. And it comes in a package of 2. Let's take these out of here. This one. And then the last new one I got, this one's quite a bit different than the other 2. This isn't a metallic lurex or anything, but I just love these colors, so I had to get it. It has a weird name. It's Rockabilly. And it's a little bit fuzzier than I thought it would be. I don't know if you guys can see that. I think it would make a nice scarf. I had to get it because I love the colors, and the fiber of it is really different. It's called Tencel, Tencel, and it's 67% Tencel and 33% polyamide. I don't know if I'm saying that right, But I know I've used that polyamide before, and it's always like really, really soft. And this one is very, very soft. And I also was interested in what Tencel actually is. And I'll tell you guys, Tencel is another name is called lyocell. I'm probably not saying that right either. And it's a form of rayon that consists of cellulose fiber made from beech and eucalyptus trees. And the main characteristics of lyocell fibers are that they are sustainable, soft, absorbent, very strong when wet and dry, and resistant to wrinkles. So pretty interesting. And so I will definitely be making something out of this too. I just don't know what. And and the needle size is it's a US 6 to 8, which is also a 4 to 5 millimeter. This is a 50-gram ball and 125 meters, which is 136 yards. And this is a number 4 thickness, which is a medium worsted Afghan Aran type weight yarn. So those are my new ones that I got. And the rest of this is Trellis Ladder yarn. And I'm excited to show you guys some of the colors. Let's start with this one. This is one of my favorites because it's just so versatile. It's just basically like black, gray, and white. And this one, I call it grayscale. And this one I used in my choker necklace tutorial. So I will put a link in the description of all the tutorials that I have, of all the different colors that I've used. So you can check out the description and get the link to that. And this one I also used in that same video with the choker tutorial. And this is probably my favorite color that I have right now. It's blue and purple and like dark blue, turquoise, all different like blues mixed together with purple. And it also has that metallic lurex in it. It's like a silver thread that goes through there and just makes it like really shiny. So it's great for jewelry, and that's why I used it in my tutorial. And this one is called Galaxy Sparkle. Oh, and just to let you guys know, the length on those, actually 2 different lengths. So the grayscale is regular ladder yarn, and the regular ladder yarn, it has a little bit more length than the mini ladder yarn. And the second one I showed you, I'll show you again. This one is the mini ladder yarn. This is the regular ladder yarn, and the regular ladder yarn will have 164 yards. This one has 100 and actually it does say 150 meters. Interesting. I think it's the mini without the lurex has 125 meters. So this one is also 164 yards. But these, if you can tell on here, these have a little bit closer spaces. And I'll probably make a video on that, on the differences between the mini and the regular and the lurex and all that crazy stuff. So check that out in a little bit. And let's go on to the next one. And this one here, this one is called Fresh Flowers. And this is a really pretty color. It has pink and orange and yellow and green. And this is a regular ladder yarn, so not mini, it's regular. And I use this in my eyeglasses tutorial, the ones with the eyeglass neck strap that you can wear your glasses around your neck. And I'll also put a link in the description below for that video. So this one is Fresh Flowers. And these two were in my scrunchie video, the Patriotic scrunchie. This one is Rockin' Red Sparkle. And that's a mini. This one is Cobalt Blue Sparkle, and this is also a mini. This one is one of my favorites, and I have probably been ordering from IceYarns for a good 12 years, and this is one of the colors that's kind of like a staple. Like, they don't always have it in stock, but if it goes out of stock, they'll usually bring it back. And this one I call Gold Rush. And it has like a light yellow, a beige, peach, and yeah, that's about it. Like those colors mixed together. And it's a really popular one because it's just so neutral. Like you could pretty much wear it with anything. So this is a good one. And this one's called Gold Rush, and it's also a regular ladder yarn. And they all toppled over. But this one, let's see, this is the one I made with these 3 colors. I did the multi-strand necklace, and this color here is Sweetheart Sparkle, and this is a multicolor. It's almost like a little rainbow. It has red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and it also has that metallic lurex in it, so it has the sparkle. And this one is Lilac. This is just like light purple shades. And this one here is Waterfall, and this is one of their newer colors. Oh, and all 3 of these are mini. These are all mini ladder yarns. So this one has just some blue shades. And next, I think the rest of these are just some of my favorites. Oh, actually this one, I don't remember. This one, I made the slip-on anklet tutorial with this color, and this is Sandcastle Sparkle. So this one's very pretty, very beachy, because it has kind of like that sandy color, and then also like the aqua blue. So it's very pretty. It's very similar to another color called Caribbean Sparkle, but this one has more of that tannish color, like sandy color in it. And I think I even have Caribbean Sparkle in here, so you can kind of tell the difference between those 2. So this one just has a little bit lighter, and this one has a little bit darker. Just a tiny bit different. Pretty much the same color, just ever so slightly. So yeah, so like I was saying, this one is Caribbean Sparkle, and these are both mini yarns, and they have the metallic lurex in them. And this is probably my bestseller, if not my second bestseller. One of the 2, second or first, I'm not sure. But this is definitely a popular color. I also sell this color a lot when I sell at Clearwater Beach, because I make like little bracelets or little anklets and put a little charm on them, and people always go for this color. So I always have this color with me in my purse in case like I run out and somebody's like, oh, I really wanted this color in a medium anklet and I didn't have it. I'll just go ahead and make it for them right there. So very popular color. And I'm really excited to get this one back, because this one is Ocean Blue, and this is one of those staple yarns that IceYarns has had around like forever. And sometimes they don't have it in stock, so I didn't have it for quite a while, but now I have it back, so very excited. And it's just shades of blue, and it looks great with just about anything, because it's just like a real nice blue color, and has like a little bit of white in it, and then light blue and the medium blue. So it looks great with blue jeans and a t-shirt and stuff. So really nice color. And this is a regular yarn. And this, I couldn't remember, but either this color is my #1 seller or that Caribbean Sparkle is, but everybody loves the white. So, and this is Icicles Sparkle, and it's also a mini ladder yarn. And it has lurex in it. I don't know if you can tell, but it has like little specks of like, it's not silver, it's just like reflective basically. So not quite as crazy as some of the other ones that actually have silver in them. It's just kind of a clear reflective metallic, but very pretty. And another color I love to have on the beach with me is this color called Splash Sparkle. And of course it's that nice blue color and looks great with anything like beachy and like anything to do with the ocean. So these are great for bracelets and anklets. And it also is a mini ladder yarn and has the sparkle in it. And this one here is also one of those staples. This one is called Denim. So some people wonder, why did I call this denim? But I just thought that this blue color just reminds me of denim, and I couldn't think of a name for it, so I just called it denim. I don't know. So, but it does look great with like blue jeans or anything like a denim jacket and stuff. So, and it has a nice variety of colors in it. It has like a burgundy and kind of a beige color and like a cream, almost white there. So a nice mixture of colors, and this is a very, very popular color and one that they always have around. If they don't have it in stock, you can pretty much guarantee they'll get it back eventually. So good color. And my last but not least is rainbow, and I really love this color. This has been probably one of my most popular colors to sell like as the necklace, because when everyone sees it, like, oh, I love this color because it goes with everything, because it has pretty much every color you own. So, you know, it's got red, green, blue, yellow, purple. It doesn't really have a specific yellow to it. It's more like a goldish orange. Like, I don't know if you see that, the color right here. It's kind of like a gold orange. But it's a really nice color, and it looks really pretty, like, made up. So I'm glad to have this color back too, because this was another one that I had out of stock for a little while, but it's back, and, you know, great to have it back again. So that is all I have for you today. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Let me know which color was your favorite and leave a comment below. And be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.